it's James Kalm, your half-assed reporter, and I am back for a little summer respite here. We're going to run into the lodge, 131 Christie Street, and we're going to take a running view of an exhibition titled Peculiar Nature by Sirikul Pattachote, Tawan Wattuya. Well, I popped in to take a look at the show, and well, I was impressed with the watercolors. Although it is hot as heck in here, I'll take a quick run through and I'll maybe make a few comments. Well, I think this is kind of an interesting pairing. So they don't really have a listing which gives you the titles and dimensions of all this stuff. I will say all this work is watercolor, and basically we've got works like this by Sirikul Pattachote, and Sirikul always does the work with flowers, and all of Tawan's work are portraits, pictures of animals. This should be a piece that we used to do, we'd say making bacon. I did like Sirikul's depictions of these flowers, and I was thinking that even though a lot of this is done with kind of browns and earth tones and kind of grayed out tints, that it does kind of give you the sense of maybe faded flowers. These pieces by Tawan are nice. They're kind of like guard dogs, like Doberman pinchers, and I like the very brusque, quick action here, but he really captures a lot of action and intent. It's a larger piece by Sirikul. It's on 4 sheets. This kind of makes me think of Charles Demuth studies. Charles was a wonderful American modernist who did a lot of detailed studies of flowers. This is an impressive watercolor, and I don't have the titles, but it's a beautiful piece of paper that this is on too. Read a little bit from the press release. Tawan Wattuya is a Thailand-born, Bangkok-based artist known for his unique approach to watercolor and thought-provoking subject matter. And this looks like a cheetah. Wattuya's choice of watercolor as a medium is a deliberate attempt to convey the speed, dynamism, and complex contrasts of contemporary society. His works have been exhibited extensively in Bangkok, Singapore, Beijing, Paris, Tokyo, Brisbane, Brussels. Wattuya earned his BFA from Sirikul University of Art and Design, Bangkok. And Sirikul Pattachote is a Thailand-born New York artist and earned her BFA from Sirikul University of Arts and Design, Bangkok. Her artwork is inspired by nature, where she draws upon memories and experiences of her surroundings in everyday life. The ephemeral quality of life and matter is a central theme of her work. Through her painting, she attempts to record and perceive certain memories and impressions that highlight the potential good that lies in everyone and everything. Well, okay, that's a nice kind of metaphorical, philosophical approach. I personally like the way that Sirikul uses the medium and kind of like an abstract expressionist lets the mediums talk for itself, leaving a lot of bare paper and showing the drips, playing with various palettes. It's another big piece by Tawan. Okay, I would just estimate this to be about 36 by maybe 66. That'd be like 3 by 5 feet. It's another nice flower study. We've seen a couple of other examples of people using water-based mediums recently, I think in the Splotch show, and I was commenting on how I found them strangely related to ancient Sumi ink works, and I think Tawan's work is also an example of that, and I like the way that he's kind of pushed the figure of the panda bear down against the lower edge of the paper. It's a nice pairing of a couple of paintings all sharing a similar palette by Sirikul. Well, one of the other reasons that I wanted to come in here and give your viewers an example of this show in this gallery is that this is the lodge, and well, they've also got a little speakeasy here in the back. So get too hot up in front, you can come back and have a beverage. And it's a very, what could I say, subdued entrance. This is James Kalm here at the Lodge Gallery, and we've just taken a quick run through of a peculiar nature featuring works by Sirikul Pattachote and Tawan Wattuya. And thank you, Kate. Whoa, thank you.